Cheese. Avery, what's a cow say?
Moo.
Moo. What's a duck say? What's a dog say? What is a horse say? Horse. Neigh. What's a sheep say? What about a frog? Ba-ba. What about a frog? Ribbit. What about a snake? What about a bee? Bees, yeah. What about a pig? How about a monkey? It goes, right? How about I'm running out of animals, huh? Lion. Roar. What about Avery, where's green? Where? Yes. Where's orange? Okay, where's black? Where's blue? Which one? Yeah. Where's yellow? Right. And can you see red?
Me too.
Say it to Daddy.
Choo choo.
Choo choo or me too?
Choo choo.
Choo choo. Shut.
Chugga 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 chugga. Choo choo. Chugga 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 chugga. Choo choo.
Say bye bye.
Bye bye. Say I love you.
I love you.
Cameron, can you say cheese?
Cheese.
Cheese.
Say I love you.
I love you.
Oh, we love you too. Bye bye.